Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Rain-X Latitude wiper blade for a 2016 Chevy Sonic. So this has an IML arm. That right there is what's right there. So what we're going to have to do with this is kind of take it apart. So you're going to want to flip it over so it's facing this way and that's facing out. And right here you want to get in there and pull that and pull this back and take it off. There we go. And then next you're going to want to take off this blue piece here. So for that you just kind of push these two things in here. Pull it off. Alright, I got that off. So when you push them two things, you want to push down and then out. So then it'll look like this. You want to make sure that this is flipped up. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to slide it in. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. We'll see. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. So you don't want to try to push that in, the two things in from the top. You kind of want to go down a little bit and pull it up and then down. Kind of like the opposite of how you took the blue piece out. So, that is how you put on the windshield wiper, a Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 for a 2016 Chevy Sonic. I hope this helped you guys out. If you wanted to know how to do it, in the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions.